Welcome guys, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and we are on another video. Today is a Tuesday, and honestly, I hope you guys are doing well. The week has gone, well, it's not gone by, it's just beginning, to be honest. And there are a couple of things that I wanted to come across and give you guys some tips and advice in these videos. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just my journey that I'm sharing, just my thoughts that I'm sharing, and it's a channel that I have so that I can document my journey and actually show you what consistency looks like and what it means to putting out consistent daily videos. Okay. If you do like the content that you're getting on this channel, whether it's cryptocurrency related or it is anything else, let me know in the comments below. Okay. I want to know whether I'm providing you guys with the right kind of content on my YouTube channel. But in this video, I want to talk about my plan. Specifically, if you do not want to recruit anybody, and even if you want to recruit anybody, this is going to be a plan for you. Okay, so there's going to be two ways or two parts of this plan. You don't need to recruit anybody, but you can still be definitely learning a skill and earning cryptocurrency in the long term. Okay. If just to let you know, guys, I don't focus on any short-term plan. So all my plans that I have, it's something called the compound effect. Okay, the more you take action, the more you compound your actions. The more you compound your actions, the more results you get. The method that I'm going to show you, or what I'm going to talk to you about today, in which you don't need recruiting, takes time, but at the same time, it has big rewards. So it's up to you what exactly and how exactly you want to follow the strategy, whether it is just the non-recruiting side or the recruiting side, okay? Or a combination of both. It depends on you. Are you in this for the long term? And are you in this to treat it as a business? Are you ready to go all in mentally, spiritually, physically, emotionally, financially, okay? Many people will not tell you this, but if you're not in the right mindset to go all in with all these aspects that I mentioned, then don't even try. Okay? Because you might be ready with one, but not be ready with the other one. And when I said ready, it doesn't mean you have to have everything under control and you understand everything. No, it means basically that you are willing, you are open, you are coachable, and you're ready to grow all the way through. Okay, hope you guys like that little bit of a motivational talk right now. So let's go into it. I'm on actually CoinMarketCap right now to just let you know that how the market is today. It's not a great market, honestly. I'm not a guru, I'm not a cryptocurrency expert to know exactly how to read every single chart, but I am learning, guys. And that is going to be the first way that I'm going to show you how you today can start earning a cryptocurrency and start making an online income for yourself through cryptocurrency with the help of a skill called trading cryptocurrency. Okay, trading. And you may ask me, David, if you don't understand charts, how can you talk about trading, right? Well, I'm not going to show you all my results in this video because you can go, I want to make it as short as possible, this video. I don't want it to be too long, but definitely if you do want to see some results, feel free to comment below. I'll post them in the comments below, or I can send them to you directly. That's not a problem. Or you can just actually watch some other videos that I have on YouTube and you will see the results from this program itself. Okay, so let's go to it. I want to show you, there are two funnels that I want to show you. One is, if you guys don't know, Michael Mansell, who is one of, let's say, a very huge affiliate marketer, also advocates to this specific product because it is just a brilliant way to work. Okay, you educate yourself, and as it says here, Bitcoin will do to the banks what email did to the post office. Okay, so you should definitely get educated firstly on cryptocurrency and start trading. Now, in these two videos, like I said, the compound effect. Okay, in the second video, we show you, or we give you an idea what it means to start compounding your trading efforts. So we focus on micro profits, guys. Okay, we focus on micro profits. I am just going to mute this. Hopefully I can. Yep. Okay. And I want to show you if I play the video. Once it plays, this is these. In fact, this is a video which will show you my results. Okay. What I posted every single day. And if you go ahead, you'll see these are my results. And you can go further to the point where, let's show you. These are all my results, guys. And then it shows you exactly how you can slowly grow up. In fact, we teach you all this method, how we do it, how we compound, and do it exactly what you see in the video right here. Now, it is possible, guys. It is possible if you just take the time and effort to follow the plan and to follow the system. Now, we have the tools. And sorry, I'm most probably I didn't mention it already, but the program is iCoinPro, and I will leave a link in the description of this video to the pro system that I have, which can give you direct access to iCoinPro, or you can learn trading, which is the second link that you would see in the description of this video, where you can click on that and you start learning trading directly. But it's one of the ways that I said, if you don't want to literally, you can use the micro profits and iCoinPro to actually, in fact, do all this. Okay, this is for those who don't want to recruit. You get inside iCoinPro, get the micro profit system, and use the tools. Now, I would suggest to go for the yearly membership, and this is why I'm saying go all in, go yearly. Okay, literally go yearly, go all in. And you will see possibilities where you can start trading in endless ways. Okay, in endless ways. Because I might not be an expert, but at the same time, I am learning and I'm growing along with iCoinPro and the tools that they provide, which are just going to it's amazing to see the levels that is going up, guys. So I definitely think trading can, if you have the time to compound and actually do it, you can take out a certain money from every single month from your trading account, and then you can actually pay your bills and everything else with just trading. So if you don't want to recruit, you still need the tools and everything, I would suggest to just go into the yearly membership, because that's the best. You have the tools for the year and you can see and grow along with it. Okay, and if you don't like it, you cannot renew next year. So it's up to you, but obviously this is the first way. I'm gonna pause this video, but it's just talking about compounding in this video, honestly. Okay, in the first video, it teaches you and shows you exactly the Bitcoin opportunity over. Sorry, it shows you exactly what we do. Okay, in terms of the trades, and you can see that even in a uptrending trade or a downtrending trade, we still can help you with the micro profit system. Okay, so that's what we do. And we have some proof also and everything on our website in case you want to know some testimonials. But it does definitely give you the skill set and give you the possibilities for you to have control of your money. Okay, let's go down, and if you want to then make another section of increasing that, okay, I have a plan here which teaches you exactly how you can duplicate this and get new people, because iCoinPro has an affiliate program as well. And you can be an affiliate marketer basically and have an affiliate side of iCoinPro where you can earn as well. Okay, it's up to you. It's really up to you. Don't need to do that. That's the recruiting side. That's you building a team. This is you not building a team and just focusing on learning the skills in order for you to actually understand the micro profit system and go ahead with it. Okay, so that's it for me in this video, guys. If you do like what you see, if you do want to make percentages that you see right here and the examples that you see right here, we teach you all of this within iCoinPro itself. And in the trading, I show you my results within this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Click on it, and definitely we'll get in touch and talk to you more soon. Okay, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. And I hope this video at the end of the day got you some value and gave you some insight into what is possible and what we do on Tuesdays. We talk about this. Okay, we literally talk about this. We love trading. and it has definitely, for me, I was a skeptic in the beginning, and has helped me a lot over the year. So that's all from my side, and I want to wish you all the best for the rest of the week.